A number of studies have been performed using goldenberries to look at the health benefits they could offer. Some studies suggest that they can help to control blood sugar by inhibiting the enzyme response that breaks down starch and sugar. A study from the National University of Colombia suggests that goldenberries could reduce swelling in the body. One from Egypt shows there might be some evidence that goldenberries could be good for the health of the liver and kidneys. Many people want to find supplements and aids to help them lose weight. Goldenberries are one of the latest foods to be promoted as a weight loss aid, but how can they help you drop the pounds? People like Dr. Oz have promoted goldenberries as an Incan superfood that can help you on your weight loss journey. They are one of the many foods that some say are belly fat busters. This might immediately make you want to try them, or it could make you a little suspicious. One thing to note is the important ingredients in goldenberries that can increase energy, boost metabolism and help burn fat. These are all things that people look for in superfoods and supplements when they want to lose weight. The protein in goldenberries helps the body burn energy and build muscle, while the B vitamins boost the metabolism and help to burn fat and keep up energy levels. Another great benefit is that goldenberries are low in calories. They only have around 50 calories per 100 grams, so they're excellent to snack on and add to a healthy and balanced diet. You can easily add them to oatmeal, yogurt, and other healthy snacks, or eat them on their own. With barely any calories but plenty of nutrients, they help to provide everything you need without causing you to retain fat. The properties that could help them manage blood sugar also means they can help you to manage diabetes. Dried goldenberries are an excellent addition to your diet if you're trying to lose weight. They offer a number of great benefits that make them awesome as part of a healthy diet for weight loss and general health. With the combination of all the vitamins and nutrients they provide and their low caloric qualities, they make the ideal snack during weight loss or an excellent ingredient in lots of different meals. If you're on a mission to lose weight, the Incan superfood of dried goldenberries can help. And they're tasty too, so you can enjoy your weight loss journey.